Openness in case of NOA has several dimensions. KEB provides a very open approach. First, NOA is hardware independent. It can be used on every hardware that runs Linux and Docker. We want to provide you the full flexibility in terms of hardware selection. Second, the service-oriented architecture enables you to integrate not only NOA apps, but also your own and third-party apps. Third, the available data in the communication layer is accessible by every app. There is no limit for your apps or for third-party apps. Fourth, the customers can white label their tenants and even provide additional white label tenants to their customers. And fifth, even some KEB apps like our HMI app Helio are not restricted to NOA. They can be used as a standalone app or on other platforms as well. With all that openness, you can create your own automation system easily with the maximum security for your investment.